All right, so let's do this. We're adding mixed numbers together. And we've done this before, so this is just a little bit of review. It's been a little bit of time. So we can go step by step. So let's just do the first one together. And the first step, pretty simple, add whole numbers together. So I have 3 and 4, and I'm going to have 7 there. And now I need to find a common denominator and add my fractions together. So I have a denominator of 4 and 2. So I have 3/4 plus 1/2. And my common denominator is going to be 4. So 3/4 stays the same. And how would I change 1/2 into fourths? That would be times 2/2, or 2/4. So then I've got 5/4 when I add my fractions together. But if you look up here, what we need to do is we need to reduce or change to a mixed number. We can't reduce it, but that does change to a mixed number. And the mixed number, and again, we're getting to the point where we should be able to do this in our head, but 5 divided by 4 will give you 1 and 1/4. And then I add that to 7, and the answer is going to be 8 and 1/4. Next one, 18 and 26. I'll let you figure that part out on your own. 1/3 plus 1/4. What is the common denominator going to be? If you need to, you can list out factors of 3, or multiples of 3, multiples of 4, until you discover that it's just going to be 12, which is the common denominator. And let's see, this is times 4/4. So I have that over here. I'm going times 3/3 to get that. So I have that. And I'll let you figure the rest of it on your own. But I think that one should be okay. And let's see. Yeah, let's just do this one more. 37 plus 37 are my whole numbers. And then I have 5/6 plus 2/3. 3 goes into 6, so 6 will be my common denominator. And what do I need to do to change 2/3 into 3/6? Well, I'm multiplying by 2/2, right? So that's going to be 4/6. So I have 9/6 down here. And this, let me just tell you, can be both reduced and changed to a mixed number. Doesn't matter what you do first, but you're going to need to do both of those things to this. And if you need help figuring out what I'm talking about, if you divide this by 3/3 or 1, that will help you reduce it. And then you can change what you've reduced into a mixed number and put it together with the whole number that you added, and then you should be okay there. And I'll let you figure out the rest of these on your own. I'll help you quickly just with one aspect of this, which is finding a common denominator for 3/5 plus 1/4. Basically, if you go by multiples of 5 and multiples of 4, you're not going to get a common denominator until you get to 20. So that's going to be your common denominator. So can you convert 3/5 into this fraction with 20 on the bottom, just think 5 times what is 20, and you'll find it's 4/4. And that will give you the top part here, and use the same process for this one. 4 times what equals 20, and multiply that to the numerator as well. But again, this is a challenging thing for 4th graders to do, so just try your best. If you can't get it, then you don't have to finish it, but I think we should be able to do most of these steps now. Thank you, and good night. Bye.